At the moment, we are here on Port of Tyne
Wow.
in England. We are now loading containers and OOG. There's the view. Doon sa kabila, may cargo ship doon. United Spirit. Maya-maya, midnight, alis na kami. Punta na sa kabilang puerto, dito lang sa baba, 2 hours yung biyahe. Eastport, England. Ito yung view. Port of Tyne, located northeast
Wow.
of England. Yan. Sa kabila, sa likod namin, Valkyrie, Valencia Eagle. Diskarga sila ng greens. So yun lang for this video. Bye!